Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is November 3rd, 2024, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only because, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to this quarterly chart and see what we see. I am going to maximize it here and resize it here. The NASDAQ has a spinning top, I guess, that cross doji at the top. And all four indexes had a red doji, a red candle at the top and all. So on this quarterly pictures, based on your trading plan and your trading strategies, a lot of times if you see if I see something red on the quarterly chart, it knows for my long positions, it's time for me. If I haven't already sold my calls, I definitely should have sold my calls by now and all on my long positions, and maybe tighten up my stops and all, or put stops in place, period. I may not even have a stop in place if the market is still looking bullish to me. Those trade recommendations. Develop your own plan and your own strategy, or see us here at Right Side Trading. We can help you do that and all. But that's what I see right here on this quarterly chart. We're still above at our R1 level on the yearly pivot, still below that R2 level, still below our all-time highs also. So this is just what I see here on this quarterly chart. Let's go down to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we can see that it's the market has been fighting up here at this top. It's been fighting this whole supply thing that happened back here that we'll see on the smaller time frames and stand below this all-time high here. On this November. I guess the first few days of November last week, we did end up turning green. This is a good sign, but we got a major event coming up this week, though, the elections here in the United States, and we're going to see by the end of the week if this thing is actually going to be reversing. Well, to me, it's if it's going to actually go higher or it's going to go lower. I think it will pick a direction at that time, and we'll just wait and see. But based on what we're seeing here already, we can see that we are above the 9-10 moving average. We are still bullish and all, and we do have a green month coming up, and that's been pretty consistent on all the indexes also. So look like it wants to go up, but we have to kind of be patient and wait and see. All right, but let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see here. Here on this weekly chart, what we see here is a bearish engulfing, at a top, fighting this. This is the supply I've been talking about for the last few weeks, that this market is going to have a hard time getting above. And we've been seeing it for the last 3 weeks. It's gotten up here, and it hasn't done. It's been fighting within a range here and all. Now it's about a 15-point range. It actually got above 500, this week again, but it didn't close there. And that's what no trade recommendation. Not going to talk about trading, but guys who want to get short in the market, get short based on what you see, based on supply in the market, based on resistance in the market, if you want to call it that. That's the time to do it. The time to do it is not when it's down here. I know you've got your pattern. You wait for your confirmation, but no trade recommendations here. No, stop talking about trading. But this is what I see here. I see a bearish engulfing in the right location. The question is, will it follow through? And will it follow through just 1 week, or will it follow through multiple weeks and all, once you see these patterns and all? And that's what I see there. So let's go ahead and go down to the daily noise and wrap this on up. On the daily noise, what I see, again, like here we go again. This week, we did have a bearish pattern. That was Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. On Wednesday, so this is the time. It was at a top at that 500 number. Your bearish pattern was there. If you're an aggressive trader, with some of the guys I know, they are very aggressive. They were getting short, and they did. It played out for them. But the question is it done? That's their question now, based on this election thing coming on. Based on their trading plans and their trading strategy, they're trying to decide, how much of their position should they hold on to now. If it's for to continue going down, that's the thing. That's the way they are. That's their whole mindset. Not their mindset, but that's the way they see the market based on their trading plans and their trading strategies. But what I see is a little demand area right here where this market shot up and out at. You're not quite there yet, but based on your trading plan, your trading strategy, what do you do? That's the whole thing. Lock in some of your profits and make sure you don't give it all back if this thing ends up turning around on you with this major event coming up this coming week. And that's all I really want to share at this time. I talk a little bit more about trading on the Qs, because the Qs is one of the things that I do trade. And a lot of the guys that I talk to, this is what they trade. So I'm kind of trying to give them a heads up. Open your eyes and see what you see, because this right here is a bullish harami forming right here. And it's not quite at the bottom, but it's close enough for me to where, if I want to get long, my stop is right here. And us aggressive traders, we are long. That's the whole thing. So, and we get out right away because we know it can get really bad if it goes against us. It can end up dropping down below this, into this area and below this area, just like we saw on one of the other indexes. I think it was the SPY ended up dropping lower than what we expected to drop. And that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope this is being helpful. And thank you, new subscriber, if I didn't say that at the beginning. And if you actually caught this at the end. And I hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.